The day before yesterday, I went to Sherpur town. You know, Sherpur is my hometown and it is very near from my house. It is about 8 kilometers from my house. You can ask me why did I go there the day before yesterday. Now I am going to explain it inshallah. Dear loving friends, I went to Sherpur the day before yesterday for buying some clothes for myself. You can also ask me what did you buy from Sherpur town. Okay, I bought a Punjabi, a trouser and an umbrella. That was very interesting and that was very enjoyable to me. So dear loving friends, I went there and I enjoyed a lot, as well as I ate different kind of fruits from Sherpur town. So beloved friend, I will not make it longer anymore. Have a good day. All the best. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.